What's good in Japan? What's good, you guys? How have you guys been? Oh my god. Oh my god, you look so pretty.
Oh my God! I'm gorgeous!
Okay. I'm done with me. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's Sunday. I've been feeling good the whole day. Because I actually went to church today. Let me know if you want to know the word of God now. I'm going to deliver it to you.
God is good. God is good. God is good. God is good. God is great all the time. That's all I gotta say.
Do not worry, okay? Okay, nonetheless, today's Sunday. I want us to actually back test second day and see whether now this coming week that's gonna start tomorrow now. Oh my god!
It's stainless steel. How did chip into a win?
Okay. Okay. Enough about myself. Yes, guys. So I took a trade on Nasdaq on Thursday. On Friday, it didn't hit TV, but I'm gonna show you guys everything, okay? And also, I have something that I have to share with you guys. 2 weeks ago, I analyzed gold on just daily time frame. Like I set up on daily time frame, okay? And I'm gonna show you what happened. Because I think on Saturday I was just sitting and I just thought, hey man, let me just check on gold. Let me see if it has, got to that point where I want it to go. Let me check it out. And then I checked it out, guys. Let me show you. Okay, because what? These are all my analysis. Me, I'm so proud. I am so proud. Oh my god. And yeah, guys, let's get into it. You know what I want us to do? Like, oh my god, I'm so beautiful.
I'm losing my mind.
I didn't help. Oh wait. Okay, let me focus.
Let me tell you something! Wait.
Let me focus. I can't handle my own beauty. Oh. Okay, let me focus. Okay, so guys, on Thursday when I placed the trade, I analyzed the charts, but I didn't like take content for you guys. So today I'm just gonna, delete everything and reanalyze again with you guys to show you where I took a trade and what happened and what I'm expecting. And where's my TP and where's my stop loss and what I think is gonna happen next. And also, I'm gonna plug you about gold, okay? Because I think gold is gonna buy for a very long time. I'm gonna plug you. Let's get into it. Nasdaq, here we come. So as you can see, Nasdaq has been going like bullish for a very long time. But as you can see, in the mover, it like collect the money where retail traders put their orders and continuing to move up, right? And right now, if we can look at the main goal now, okay? Now we're looking at what's currently happening besides the bullish trend that we saw. Okay, now we are going to analyze, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, well, I do see that here. We had, what is this now? Wait, thank you very much. Thank you. And then pink, favorite color. Okay, as you can see here, since the break, right? And then we went up. But we never came for any retest or anything like that. But then eventually price dropped from this area here, and then it dropped to the downside, right? This is the drop that I was talking about on my previous video that got 1K. So now, as you can see, let's label this part that was broken buy side liquidity, right? Yes, let's leave it like that. Buy side liquidity right here, or you can call it old higher high, because this is our new high, right? But before we had this high here before we had this one. So this was our old high, you can call it that. And it's also buy side liquidity. Yes. So now we see that this buy side liquidity was broken, but you know what? We never came for any retest on it. But then eventually price came for a retest. It even went below. See, price even went below. And I thought it's gonna come retest here, fill up the gap that's here. If you go to lower time frame, you're gonna see here it's a gap. I thought it's gonna fill up the gap that's here and continue to move up. But it went down, like it dropped. And you can ask yourself, why did it drop? Well, I think because they want to continue moving the price up, they're gonna need liquidity. They're gonna need to sweep liquidity. They're gonna need to sweep, or rather, they're gonna need to hunt stop losses of retail traders so that they can continue buying Nasdaq, right? Where are these stop losses of retail traders, placed? And where are these orders? Where is this money at? In this case, our stop losses of retail traders were right here. Because people here saw price coming for a little retest here, as you can see, and moving up. And people thought that Nasdaq was buying, only to find out that no, Nasdaq wasn't actually buying. They were trapping us to think that Nasdaq is gonna buy just so they can come back and sweep our liquidity here, or rather, just so they can come back and take our money here, hit our stop losses here, and take our cash here. So now they came back, right? We got tempted, and then we bought here after we saw this little retest. We bought, right? And then they came back to what? To sweep our stop losses out, so that money of ours, it can be the fuel who continue bargain as they get. Now let's move. Let's label this as our internal sell side liquidity, right? And how are we so sure that liquidity was swept at this area? Excuse me. How are we so sure that liquidity was swept at this area? Because you can see here, right? Actually, if you buy, let me make an example so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Just like that. Now this is what I'm talking about. Probably retail traders put that TP there, or even higher, I don't know. But this is what I'm talking about. We see price retesting, we're like, okay, let's buy. We buy. Why? Because we saw break of structure, retest, and then we buy, right? Only for them to come hit our stop loss. This is what I mean when they say they hit our stop loss. And then after, they continue buying Nasdaq. Dango. So now, we follow these people, right? We follow them so we can make cash just like that. And let me put this right here, as you can see. Yeah, let me put it like that. Okay. We also have our highest key level in this case. Let me just confirm here and write old buy side liquidity so you guys don't get confused. How can we have two buy side liquidities? Yeah, so this is buy side. This is the original, or rather the external buy side liquidity. Because in this case now, this is old, so therefore it's inside the external, right? So it and also if we come here, we're gonna see that this is our major what? Sell side liquidity now. Yes, this is our major sell side liquidity. Right now, let's see price sweep liquidity here. And after a sweep liquidity, what happened? It moved up to where? To the buy side liquidity, or even break the buy side liquidity and continue with the uptrend. But nonetheless, this is what we have. Let me just put this here like this. Yeah, so our thingy become neat and clean. Thank you. Okay, now we're still on daily time frame, but look, we have the whole setup. Damn. Okay, excuse me. Let's go to forward time frame. Let's just see what we're having. Okay, now that we see that we see something interesting actually. As you can see, Kadi 9 June. This is the time when liquidity was swept. Before, let's assume this is not here yet. This was the time when liquidity was swept. And then probably people bought after liquidity was swept. Kanti only not knowing that actually the big players, the big guys, don't actually have, or rather didn't actually, get the money they needed from us that could actually help them to continue buying Nasdaq. And then they came back again to sweep liquidity again. This is when now they had enough cash, because obviously people back anymore, and then but super the stop loss and then this big green candlestick here just before the one that swept liquidity, it wants some buying pressure, right? So other retail traders also placed buys after liquidity was swept here, right? Only to find out that no man, they still don't have enough money, so therefore they're gonna come back and sweep liquidity again. I know. Gadi 11. Yes, Gadi 11. And Gadi 11 is in a Thursday when I finally placed the trade. Okay? Now, fine. Let's move. Let me fix this line of hours here by side liquidity. Yes, ma'am. So now, since liquidity is times 2, now you know when I let you enough for Nasdaq. So now let's check. What else do we see? Do we see any pattern? Do we see any bullish descending channel, any bullish descending wedge, bearish, what, anything at all? Let's see. We need to go to lower time frame to actually see that correctly. Okay. Because now, as you can see, I can't identify this bullish, but I can't see what this is actually. I need to go to a higher time frame to actually confirm what that was. No, lower time frame, excuse me. Now, we go to 2 hour time frame, and I think now we can finally see some kind of like a pattern here. Yeah, let's just see what we're having. So now let me tell you what happened. After I saw that liquidity was swept times 2 Thursday here, and I'm like, okay, cool. Now I think we have enough cash. Now I'm gonna have to wait for what? For the chart to finally come and break the trend line. This one specifically, because we are looking to buy. Now, I waited, and I see that price is coming to break the trend line here. And when price got here, I went to lower time frame, just to see if I can have like a change of character. Change of character meaning that we're changing from being bullish now. No, we're changing from being bearish now to being bullish. Yeah. Now I went to 5-minute time frame. And when we get to lower time frame, we see that we have our last, or rather our valid last lower high, right? Or you can even make this one your last lower high. Let me just, please don't mind the lines, okay? I know that it looks awful and confusing. Let me just do this. You can either make this your last lower high, or you can either make this one your last lower high, because as you can see, both of them do break like the very same displacement candlestick, right? So now this was my last lower high at the moment. This one here, valid last lower high, well, according to me. Yeah, and as you can see, it will break working a displacement candlestick. Ooh. And what does that tell us? That now buyers are in control. Yeah, smart money is about to enter, and we are just about to buy Nasdaq. Yes, and after displacement candlestick, you do what? You draw your fair value gap. And after drawing your fair value gap, you wait for price to what? Come retest on your fair value gap, and you take what? Buy. And that's what I did. I waited for a displacement candlestick to be formed, a fair value gap on it, retest on it, and immediately on this candlestick, I bought. My stop loss just below here. Okay, now let's go to upper time frame so we can see like proper structure. Because here I want to further the charts and let's get to 2 hour time frame. Thank you. So me, I entered a trade here. See here. on that displacement candlestick. You see this fair value gap here. But also, as you can see, the more the price moves to the upside, when it gets to the internal buy-side liquidities, I give it the lows giddy sell-side liquidity and the highs giddy buy-side liquidities, right? So now, whatever that's inside but really high is internal buy-side liquidity. Whatever that's inside but really low, it's internal sell-side liquidity. So know that no sora bona hore, the more price like reaches the internal buy-side liquidities, obona ya react, then it's like retester, it's like move retester. And even here when price gets here, I'm gonna wanna see it like reacting, breaking and then going a little bit low to retest. Even when price gets here, I'm gonna wanna see it reacting, breaking and coming back for a retest. Let me just show you a proper structure of what I actually mean. But let me understand. So what I'm meaning is that it will retest. Life it will retest and finally break our buy side liquidity. That's when I don't know what it's going to do. But as for here, I wanna see it coming into the retest. They're good, right? And you guys, let me just put my that's okay. So you guys, that's how my setup is actually looking like. And I'm just going to put my this so you can see what I'm talking about. Yes, ma'am. So as you can see, guys. Okay, so remember I'm still on phase 1, right? The moral of the story, don't blow your account. Protect your capital at all costs. Okay? As long as you're still like holding your capital like this, you're still good. So let's get into gold. And let me just show you what I've got, okay? And my story with gold, my relationship with gold has been so personal because every time I'd blow accounts on gold, and I decided to stop trading gold. But on that specific day 2 weeks ago, I decided to just analyze it and just see if it's gonna play according to my analysis. And it did that. So let me show you. Okay, this is what we have got, okay? Before this happened, the charts were like around here when I analyzed. Let me drag this here. They were like around this level when I analyzed. This was not here, okay? And remember, this is like daily time frame. And on daily time frame, guys, I have like already got a setup. I'm just gonna, oh my god. Okay, before I get excited, let's just go into details. Okay, I did see that before this happened, we had this, right? And with this candlestick that's here, a lot of retail traders thought, liquidity is swept, now we can look for buys. Gold is going to buy, right? Okay, and then afterwards gold makes some kind of like retest and people are like, okay, now we're good, we're buying. People bought, boom. See? Cool. Put the stop loss way here. And some put the stop loss here, some put here. Because some obviously bought immediately after it swept. And some obviously bought immediately after the retested here. Smart money entered, took the price down, hit stop losses of people who bought here, came down, hit stop losses of people who bought here. You see? And now gold is going to buy. And if it breaks this trend line and it breaks the last lower high with a displacement candlestick and come retest the fair value gap, we're buying gold to this level. And I'm just hoping this happens after Katoba funded, because look at actually how much we can make on gold on the specific move. Just look. One thing I love about being a swing trader is that you let the charts just run on their own, man. Let's just see how much we would make if we take this particular trade. Probably put our stop loss here after breakage of a trend line here with what the placement candlestick. You know what? Yes, fair value gap, retest, and then boom. Let me see. And if I'm Zanzi, $1.1, yo, that's a lot of cash, man. And Luena, I'm giving you a signal, go catch that move, okay? Monitor gold, go catch that move. Can't believe this is actually my analysis. I am so overwhelmed, guys. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, guys, that's all for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on Monday, okay? And yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, for commenting, for subscribing, for viewing my videos, for liking. Thank you for everything. I don't know who I would be without you guys. So thank you guys so much, okay? And let's continue this tomorrow on day 2. Okay, bye.
A few moments later.
Now you thought I was just gonna leave like that? Hell no. Heaven no, I'm not living just like that. Let me tell you about what I learned at church today. Guys, please go to church when you have a chance, okay? Just go to church, talk to God in person, face to face, okay? Now, let me tell you what I actually learned today. And this is actually my favorite verse, okay? So a pastor was actually reading on Hebrews 11 verse 3 today, and it was talking about, before we could even get to the story, let me tell you, I always believed that the universe exists, but I didn't know how. I didn't know, was it just there? Who created the universe? I didn't know anything like that. And people close to me don't usually believe in the universe and things like that. But I do believe in the universe. Okay? So now listen. Today, Pastor reads on Hebrews 11 verse 3. And guess what? God talks about the universe. Today I found out that by faith, we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. Do you listen to that? So now it's God was just let there be the universe, and there was the universe. And so now there is God before me, right? There is God before Cool. And God is look, I know your plans, I know whatever that you want, I know your goals, I know your dreams. I have it in my hand and I'm preparing it for you. But you need to call it out. Okay? You call it out to the universe and God's deliver. See. So I was right this whole time. The universe do exist. Whoever didn't believe me, shame at you. Because it exists. And the good part about it is that it was created, or it was formed at God's command. God formed the universe. So that, you know what, I'm coming for that Range Rover, I'm coming for that mansion. I know that it is there for me. God is preparing it for me. It is just waiting for me to call it out. And I know that there's nothing that's going to stop you from getting those things. Because I'm a daughter of God. God is also holding my hand like this. Wherever I go with God. And I know that He got my back. Whatever that I come across, or when I go to get my Range Rover, or when I go to get my mansion, God is going to deal with it for me. I do not have to worry. I don't have to worry, because God is going to do it for me. He's literally holding my hand. You my daughter, and I'm going to stand up for you. And every single thing that tries to stop you from getting whatever that you want. So therefore, when something comes, and I see my Range Rover on the other side, but something is here, my God is going to deal with it for me. Because He has my back every time. Okay? So now, you call out whatever that you want. It's already been prepared for you. You just call it out, and God is just gonna take. You wanna go to Dubai? Take. Call it out. What? Oh my God, guys! I am just. You know what? That's it. That's it, guys. I'm done, guys. That's all that I've got. Church is good. That's all I've got to say, okay? And you go to church and you have a chance. Because this journey of ours, it's like I'm hard. Because if we do yeah. So difficult for real. Bye. Oh, what's good, YouTube family? Guys, it's on top of the morning. It's Monday. And it's a long time ago when I woke up. So I'm going to show you how the charts are doing, right? Let's go check up on Nasdaq. Okay, we are back and we're looking at Nasdaq. As you can see, this is the setup we placed, or rather this is the setup that we had starting from Thursday, right? And this is how the charts have been moving. And today midnight, when the charts opened, they left the gap, but I won't be surprised if they go back to fill up the gap and continue going up. I won't be surprised. But still, remember, it once happened that the charts move without filling the gap here on the very same Nasdaq. Remember, it's here. Remember this level? Let me show you here. Remember that the charts moved without filling the gap and then came out later to fill it up. So maybe here maybe here the very same thing is gonna happen. Maybe the charts are just gonna go and come fill up the gap later, or they're gonna come fill up the gap now. What's good, you guys? Welcome back. I'm losing my PJs. Trust me, these are the only comfortable clothes that I could find on my wardrobe. Okay, so yeah, I have been on this PJ for like the whole day. Took a shower, went back straight to it. Yes, got that. There wasn't the update. The update is that we did hit our TP. Time is 7 p.m. and we hit our TP, baby. Yes, and I have been on I feel like I've been on phase 1 for some time. Because I remember last time I made profits, it was when I made that $160, remember? And then the markets moved aggressively to the downside, right? And I lost some of my profits there. So these profits that I made today are like the first profits that I'm gonna make again. Do you understand? Yes. So I hit TP, and let me just show you. Yeah, time is 7:10 p.m. and I just got so tired of holding this trade, because my TP was actually around this area. See, but I just got so tired of waiting, because I've been waiting for it to play out from this day last week. So I just let my TP to here. Yeah. So price got here. Let me just put it back here again. Right here. Yeah, so as you can see, a gap happened, price never came to fill it up. It has been pushing up since then. So as you can see, when price got around this area, I decided to just, adjust my stop loss to this level, this, second higher low here. See, yeah, because I was just so tired of waiting. And yeah, when price got there, my TP was just hit just like that, and I'm just done for the day. Yeah. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the trade did play out. Look it. I just can't wait to get out of phase 1. Trust me. Phase 2, here I come. Okay, and I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll talk again tomorrow. Yeah. So I'm just so tired right now. I just want to watch a movie, relax, But I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And thank you for subscribing, for supporting me. And bye.